Hey guys, welcome to my latest unboxing video. This is yet another LaCie drive. Specifically the LaCie Mobile Drive 4 terabytes, which is rated speed-wise 130 megabytes per second speed, which is a little nippier compared to the LaCie drive, portable drive that I bought 3 years ago, or nearly 3 years ago now. I mean, time just flies, it's incredible. I got this in the Apple Store in Hong Kong, Hai San Place, Causeway Bay Apple Store. And the retail price, or the price that they were advertising, was 1,298 Hong Kong dollars, which equivalent to the US dollars would be 165 US dollars. Now, this is what the drive looks like. Not that I've opened the box yet, because I haven't. It's a new design. Unfortunately, I don't have the old drive because I left the old drive at my school. But if you go to my YouTube channel, well, you are on my YouTube channel, check the video from 3 years ago and you can see the design. Very different from this one. This one looks a little thinner, and you also get Creative Cloud All Apps Plan, 1 month membership included. This is actually something I bought for my school, and in fact, I have 2 of them. But for this example, for this unboxing example, we'll just do 1. Now let's look at the side. So USB 3.1, USB Type-C drive, works with Thunderbolt 3, USB 3.0 port. USB Type-C port seems the way forward, especially with the iMacs and the MacBooks and so forth, and some of the newer Windows computers. Right. That's what it looks like, hooked up to a MacBook, a typical laptop, and aluminium shell. What's that, toolkit? PC and Mac compatible. That must be some utility, maybe for backing up or whatever. Okay, USB-C 3.0 compatible, space gray diamond cut design. And it's assembled in China. Enough said. Right, now let's open up the box and see what we have. Now, let's get my cutter. Let's cut this thing open. So, right, let's get this out. All right, let's get this out. This was a drive that I bought for my school, as I've said, but I thought I'd do an unboxing video before I bring it back to school. Let's take it out. All right, let's put the box aside. Let's get in. What have we got? Quick install guide, the usual stuff. Okay, let's put that there. What else have we got? Redeem your Adobe software when you register your product. There might be a code here somewhere. I'll play with that later. I've got 2 of those for 2 drives. What's this? It's another bit of paper. Okay, now let's get inside the plastic container. We should have a USB Type-C. Oh, there's the drive. So that's the LaCie drive. Ooh. You could feel the weight. Wow. I love the edges. It's like something out of Captain Power and the, what do you call it? Captain Power and the Soldiers of the Future. You know, these chamfered edges, a bit like the iPhone 5. And what's that? LaCie. And there's USB Type-C. I'm not going to be showing the connection of this to my computer. This is just an unboxing video. This is not a demonstration, because we won't have the time at this moment. So that is the LaCie drive, 4 terabytes. I'm actually not quite sure, is it 1 partition or 2 partitions? Because the previous LaCie drive that I bought years ago was actually 2 drives sandwiched into 1 case. Now, from the look of this, this could very well be 1 drive in 1 case, because technology is getting a lot better every year, in theory. So pretty standard. If you only have the conventional USB port, use that cable and you simply just connect right there. And, or if you wish, you could just go the whole hog and just connect the USB-C to the USB-C port, like that. So there we have it. Short but sweet, that is the LaCie Mobile Drive 4 terabyte, which I got from the Apple Store. And 1,298 or 165 Hong Kong or US dollars respectively. So there we go. That is the drive. And I'm going to end the video right there. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Take care and goodbye.